Oh, hello there everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I was already in the middle of making a video, but when I saw this I was like, I had to make this video right now. So Blender Market, now called Superhive, have put together a bundle of 30 courses selling at only $30.
Damn, what is that, bro?
Which is crazy. It's like $1 for just a course. The sale ends at 24th of July, so don't miss that. While I haven't watched any of the courses, there are some really amazing courses. A lot of the courses are from CG Cookie themselves, which are the team behind Blender Market. There's the human course, which is $90 on its own. I'd buy the bundle just for this course. There are many more courses from CG Cookie, Creative Shrimp, Ducky 3D, CG Dive, and many more. And you might be thinking that this sounds too good to be true. Well, that is. But the downside to this is that you are not gonna get any updates on the courses. So if a creator decides to update their course, you are not gonna get those updates. Some of the courses are really old, like the Space FX by Creative Shrimps is in Blender 2.7 I think, and the Hard Surface Modeling from Creative Shrimp is from Blender 2.8. So if you're good with following tutorials from older versions of Blender, then it's not that much of an issue. But just keep that in mind that a lot of the courses are old. There aren't actually 30 courses, there are 22 courses, but the course core has 9 courses in that, so that's how there are 30 courses. The other thing is, which I'm not very sure of, but it's not listed anywhere on the website, is that you're not gonna get any support from the creators of the course. But it's fine because the course is at a really cheap price, and this is the reason they can keep doing it. If you do happen to buy the bundle, please use my link from the description, which is an affiliate link, meaning that I'll get a small percentage, which is 5% in this case. That would be $1.50, and I'd highly appreciate your support. Since you're here, here's a little sneak peek of what I'm creating. It's coming really soon, so stay tuned for that, and I'll be back. And this video is also very different because I'm shooting outside for the very first time. It's not the first time I'm outside, but this is the first time I'm shooting outside, and it's really nice here. So you should also get outside in the nature, and it will make you feel a lot better.